Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Today I am going to answer a query asked by a viewer. If I have irregular periods, does it mean that I am infertile or I will not be able to conceive? Now let us start with what is regular cycles. So cycles or menstrual cycles have frequency which is either between 28 days to 35 days. Also it has duration, which means the number of days you have bleeding. So the number of days which bleeding is present can vary from 3 to 5 days. So duration varies between 28 to 35 days and the number of days vary between 3 to 5 days. So anything which is between these is considered normal. If you have bleeding for very less duration, like less than 2 days, then you should consult a fertility specialist. If the bleeding is too heavy, passage of clots, or if it is for prolonged duration, like more than 5 to 7 days, then also you should consult a fertility specialist. The reasons can be different for each issue. So now coming to the frequency of menstrual cycle or regularity of the menstrual cycle. Regular menstrual cycle can vary between 28 to 35 days. So if you are getting periods between every 28 to 35 days, then most likely that you might be ovulating. But despite of regular cycles, there are some women who may not ovulate. So ovulation is confirmed on some blood test and ultrasound scans. So if you are not conceiving despite of regular cycles, you need to consult a fertility specialist, get hormonal evaluation done, get your egg reserve checked, and a follicular scan done to monitor how the eggs are developing. Now, irregular cycles. Any interval which is not regular, like less than 28 days, more than 35 days, and you don't know when is your next expected period is supposed to come, then it is considered as irregular cycles. So common causes for irregular cycles can vary. There might be some hormonal issues, there might be some lifestyle related issues, and there also can be issues related to egg reserve. So the commonest reasons which are related to hormonal issues are polycystic ovaries, thyroid related issues, changes in the level of prolactin hormones. All these can affect your ovulation and can also affect regularity of the cycle. Now coming to lifestyle related issues. Lifestyle related issues like extremely sedentary lifestyle, very high weight, or somebody who's doing extensive exercise, very heavy exercise, which is causing amenorrhea or lack of periods, all these issues can lead to irregular cycles. Even smoking can affect your egg reserve and lead to irregular cycles. So these are lifestyle related issues which may cause irregular cycles. Now coming to the another reason, which is low egg reserve. So women even at young age may have low egg reserve because of different reasons. Somebody may have history of cancers which is treated with chemotherapy or radiation therapy, or you may have history of any autoimmune disease like autoimmune thyroiditis, SLE, rheumatoid arthritis. All these conditions can also affect your egg reserve, and premature loss of egg reserve leads to irregular cycles, sometimes coming very frequently or sometimes even very delayed or prolonged, like every 3 months or 4 months. So any period interval which is not falling between 28 to 35 days is considered irregular cycle, and irregular cycles need evaluation by a fertility specialist, which includes checking of your egg reserve to know if it is polycystic ovary or if it is because of extremely low egg reserve. Also, it requires hormonal evaluation like thyroid hormone test, prolactin hormone test, and sometimes even day 2 hormones, which are estrogen, FSH hormone test, to know the reason for irregular cycles. So this was about irregular cycles. If you have irregular cycles, please get yourself evaluated so that you can act in time. I hope this was helpful.